let's let it rip here. We got a there it is, it's P, not S. Alright, and then we can just stop. And then that does jog out as well. We go handle A, and that comes out here just like that. Real fun when you got a tool change when it's up top there. So, okay, that all runs through. Zero return button, quicker here. There we go. Alright, there it is. Lovely. Kind of lower it goes anyway. In place, alright, we're going to 218, and it should go back to stow, and that simply dumps it out of this chute right here. So that's pretty good. We had a lot of hours went into this program that we're not using anymore. Well, I don't know. It has been set up as 2 jumps, so that's probably what I have in there. There it is, right? That's it. Yep. Lovely. Let's put the red second on there. And that is going to mill CX rather than, it's just polar, not the other way. You get less lash this way. They can make their own field cases. It's like printing money.